Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a resurrection of the Galaxy DX44V for Thomas in South Carolina. Thomas got it fixed up, it's working good here for you. Got you a new meter in there and meter light. The other one was frozen up. Set the radio up to work good with your Texas Star. We're going to start with our power all the way down on this little single final radio, 25 watt slug. There's 1 watt, that's probably where you're going to run it. Roll it up. There's 5. If you're going barefooted, that'd be great. Show you average power swing. Hello, audio. 10 bird, 50 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. 29 peak. So no more swinging backwards. It's doing good for you, and it's going to be perfect for that little amp. All right, Thomas, I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.